Hello guys, my name is Ben. I'm a music composer and sound designer. Today I'm gonna do the sound design of the opening of Apex pack from the game Apex. For this I'm gonna use Krotos tools, mainly Reformer Pro and Weaponiser, and we're gonna see what we can do with Krotos library, which is massive. Let's do this. I just opened a new session in Studio One. I have the footage here. Let's see what we got. Kaboom! Cling! I'm done. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's open Reformer Pro first. I'm gonna see if we can add some nice texture and see if we can start syncing some sound. First, I want to find some metal sound. So let's check in the library what we have. Search metal. So if you never tried Reformer Pro before, I'm actually gonna play all the sound from the libraries with my mouth. But I don't even have to explain. You're just gonna have to watch. I just use my mouth to trick the sound. So to sync things in a very fast way, it's very useful. So let's find an interesting sound to sync with the footage. Okay, that's not bad. I'm just gonna sync them properly. Not bad. So I've been researching metal in the Reformer Pro libraries, and this is what I got so far. I think we have enough metal sounds. I want to find some like electronic sound, electricity, energy, magic effect to make it sound more interesting. It's still really poor, and I don't do the mix yet. I'm just trying to find like a good structure and a lot of sound to sync them properly, and then I'll be mixing them. Let's see if we can find some electronic sound. Electronic, gritty electronics. Let's see. So when I like what I hear on Reformer Pro plugin, I export it into a new audio track. Okay, pretty good. Another one, let's find another electronic sound. Electricity, yes. I like this, I like this, I like this. So I'm searching servo to get some like mix between robotic and electronic sound. Servo Cyborg, let's try this one. Just the name sounds good. Okay, next one. So after looking around in the libraries, this is what I got. Okay, it sounds a bit weird still, but again, I didn't do any mixing. I'm just layering sound, so I'm gonna put the metal sound in gray. Makes sense to me, and it helps when you try to get organized. Everybody do their own thing. So what I'm gonna do now is using Weaponiser to find impactful sound, more magical sound, and I'm gonna trick them with the MIDI keyboard. So let's open Weaponiser first. Weaponiser! So let's see the factory presets first. There is already some interesting thing inside that. I'm gonna go with explosive energy, and I'm gonna go for the number 16. Shoot! Oof, love it. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna export that as an audio track, and I'm gonna keep the MIDI track. It's already synced, so I just have to change the sound in Weaponiser. Maybe for the landing, when it's landing, maybe a whoosh. It's so much more impactful with this whoosh. Without. With. Okay, let's sync them. Yeah, there's something with that. Let's record this. Already make a difference. I think we have enough sound. I'm just gonna do a bit of mixing and see how we can improve it. I want like to give the little robot like a personality, so maybe when it's actually like getting out, maybe we can add like a little voice, like a robotic voice. Let's see if we can use Dehumaniser. Welcome to the future.
I'm Jarvis.
Okay, so I think I have what I wanted. I'm gonna stop right there with the voice, otherwise I'm gonna go crazy. I know myself. Okay, after some very light mixing, this is what I have. As you saw, I just used Krotos tools, Reformer Pro, Weaponiser, Dehumaniser, and all Krotos libraries to create this Apex sequence sound design. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I see you soon. Bye.